Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove the hood on Mercedes C-Class W204 from 2008 to 2015. It's hard to tell what car it is, so let me just show you the rear end so you know what body style I'm talking about. Okay, this one right here, we got it red guys. Check out the video. We have where we got it from a car auction, really good price. And you can see that the hood has quite a bit of damage. Okay, right here, we even cut it on the front, so today we'll have to remove it to replace it with a new one. So, everything else been taken apart, but ignore that, it doesn't bother anything else for removing the hood. As you can see, we have two shocks now guys, one on this side, one on the other one. So, we'll have to disconnect those shocks. So you have to have a person holding the hood, then that spring right here, you need to push it out, okay, and pull the shock out at the same time, okay, like that. Check it out now, it's out, and then you disconnect the shock. We do the same thing to the other side as well there. Both of them need to be done the same way, okay, and then you just pull the shock out, perfect. You can see after that we have 3 bolts here with a 10mm socket and 3 on the other side. Okay, it's very important to hold it on the back side right here, because otherwise you might hit your windshield and break the windshield. Alright guys, and this is the hood you can see right here. So that's how you guys remove it. Okay. Let's just leave it right here. And if you need to install a new one, you do it in the same way. And you have some adjustment in the bolts right here. Okay, let me show you. They can move, you can see right here, so you can screw the hood to the left or the right, front and back. So you can adjust it to make sure that it fits good. We have a video how to do that if you want to see it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.